Hi, do you want to learn how to create film scores and cinematic music and music for games? Then you come to the right place. I'm Mattias and I just prepared the perfect free course for you over at Morning Media Education. The course is called The Film Scoring for Beginners. And in the course you basically learn everything you need to know to get up and running creating music for video. In the course we look at 3 real-world cases, the first one being the comedy The First Timer. We'll take a look at scoring, action and thriller. And the third short film is called I Profess, which is more of a drama score. So let's take a quick look here at the chapters in the course. So first out we have the spotting, tempo and arranging, which is basically the how and the when to place music within a film. And next up we're going to talk about motifs and themes. Then we go into chord progression tricks, really useful for composition. And then we go into theme variations, which is basically how you take an original theme and then mold the theme into different mood variations, like sad, hopeful, and yeah, anything in between. And next up we go to how to score action scenes. Next in line we talk about where to find and how to make and compile small videos that you can practice film scoring with. And we also talk about Ostinatos, really important if you want to go after that Hans Zimmer film scoring vibe. And we also do a little bit of main theme analysis. And of course we also need to talk about keeping time and sync, so we can sync our small music cues to the video. And finally we look at how to score drama with the short film I Profess. Right, so here's your invitation to go and check out the Film Scoring for Beginners course over at edu.morningmedia.com, and I'll see you in the Film Scoring for Beginners course. See you there. Bye.